Virgo! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon at nakakakuha kayo ng dagdag na messages for you. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Virgo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect in your love relationship or romantic situation. Virgo. Romantic situation, love relationship, anong nangyayari for Virgo? Oh. Okay. 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 So, Virgo, bottom of the deck, the King of Pentacles. So, right now, nakafocus kayo about sa self ninyo. You are being smart. Okay? Nakafocus kayo sa inyong stability, sa inyong career. Okay? Sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? Yeah, you're thinking about commitment also. You're thinking about commitment and stability when it comes to your relationship. Okay? Two of Wands. Yeah, for some of you, you are checking on someone. Okay? Naiisip mo siya. Maybe, may mga plano or gusto kang gawin with this person, but then you cannot. Okay? May boundaries. Okay. Nine of Pentacles. You are independent. Financially secured and independent and single. Okay. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, for some of you, you don't want to be bothered. Okay, you are controlling yourself also. Okay, to communicate with someone or to express or to share your feelings with someone. So, parang kinokontrol mo. You're holding on. Okay, nag-hold back ka. Okay. Tingnan natin, Justice. Virgo, bakit may justice from your person? Death, okay. May kailangan gawin na tama ang inyong person. Okay? Kailangan niya i-let go kung maybe if he or she is in unhealthy relationship or toxic relationship. Okay? Kailangan niya i-let go yon. He or she needs to do what is right. Okay? For you and for him or her. Okay? And then may kailangan decision na gagawin ang person ninyo. Okay? About the situation. The High Priestess. Yeah. Okay? So, parang pinag-isipan to ng mabuti ng inyong person. Kailangan niyang makinig sa kanyang intuition. Okay? Kung anong sinasabi sa kanya na tama, na tamang gawin. Okay? Maybe your person the High Priestess, kailangan niya i-follow ang what is right para sa kanya, okay? At para sa relationship, okay? Para sa connection. Two of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. So, kailangan gumawa or mag-make ng decision ng inyong person, okay? He or she is thinking if makikipag-communicate or makikipagkita ba sa inyo, Virgo? Okay. Yeah. Kailangan niyang gumawa ng decision. Or kailangan niya ring pumili at the same time. Okay? So, maybe your person is dealing with two people or two situation. Yeah, Six of Cups. Okay. So, kailangan niyang i-break ang mga toxic relationship niya or toxic behavior. Okay, to maintain a harmonious and good relationship with you or with the other person. Yeah. Six of Cups, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, or maybe also your person gusto niyang ayusin ang inyong connection, ang inyong relationship. Okay? Gusto niya makipag-usap sa inyo tungkol sa mga desisyon na gagawin niya. Because you know, this person wants to do the right thing. Virgo. Just take what resonates for you. Five of Cups. Tingnan natin bakit may Five of Cups. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, this person, meron siyang ex or a main relationship. Okay? And gusto niya i-maintain yun. He or she is choosing between you and the other person. Five of Cups. Bakit may Five of Cups? Judgment. New direction para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And there is some kind of disappointment, great sorrow, and sadness. Yeah. There is movement. Okay? Siguro this person, meron siyang naisip niya or meron siyang realization about sa situation niya. Okay? And maybe this person is making change sa kanyang sitwasyon. Okay? Meron siyang bagong direksyon na tatahakin. Judgment, strength. Yeah. Your person is longing for forgiveness. Kinakailangan niya magkaroon ng lakas ng loob. Okay? To see you and to talk to you. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. Sometimes it is the other way around or kabaliktaran. Okay. Knight of Cups. Tingnan natin bakit may Nine of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Ooh. Yeah, okay. So maybe, yeah, Virgo. I think your person is making a decision to choose you over the other person. Okay? And this person is sad because he's going to make a new direction. Okay? A change. There is a change of heart. Okay? And this person is seeking forgiveness. Okay? From this person na in-end niya yung relationship. Okay? Because your person is doing the right thing. Okay? Kailangan niyang mamili. Yeah, Six of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles. There will be a relationship between you and this person, Virgo. So, it's a wish come true, dream come true for you. Okay, there will be a relationship. Merong attention and time na binibigay sa inyo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The Temperance. Let's see. Ano yung challenge? Itong problema. Yeah. Okay. Pero yung iba sa inyo, naiisip na ng person nyo to break a previous or to break parang may i-end siya na relasyon para sa inyo. Okay? Simply because masaya siya sa inyo. Okay? Meron siya magandang relasyon. There is harmony in your relationship. Okay? And kailangan niyang gumawa ng aksyon. Okay? He or she is going to take a new direction. He is choosing you. He or she is choosing you. Okay? The Temperance, bakit? Page of Swords, bakit? The Hierophant, okay? Someone, okay? Merong someone, merong distraction, kumukuha ng information about your person. This is the problem. I think, merong nagsaspy, merong nagsastalk. From the Hierophant. Okay? Hierophant. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, or maybe this Hierophant is ito yung previous ng relationship. Okay? Maybe, yeah, kung saang committed siya dito or married. Okay? So, that person is spying or stalking about sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And this is the challenge in the situation. Parang siguro, or maybe, this person meron ng idea about sa inyo, ng person mo. Just take what resonates for you, Virgo. Virgo. Yeah. Three of Wands. Siguro nakakaramdam na yung person, yung main person, na mag-e-end na or merong problema sa relasyon and nakikipaghiwalay sa kanya. Something like that. Yun yung energy in this reading for you, Virgo. Three of Wands. Oh, Six of Wands. What are we? Okay? So, merong progress, merong success in the relationship. Looking forward, okay? Merong commitment, meron ng relasyon sa inyong dalawa, okay? You are setting also boundaries and expectation. Okay. Yeah, maybe for some of you, magkalayo kayo ng person na to. Okay. And you are looking forward with this person. Okay. There is success, victory. King of Cups. Yes. About love, success in love and relationship. Virgo. Okay. Now you are looking forward, or you will be looking forward sa mga plans ninyong dalawa. Okay. Siguro, I think nag-grow ang inyong relationship. Parang meron ng maturity. Merong level up in the situation. Okay. Six of Cups. Bakit Six of Cups? Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Moving forward. Okay. Yeah. For some of you is bumabalik yung person na to sa inyo. Okay. Just take what resonates. Merong improvement. Meron ng movement, improvement sa inyong connection. Okay. Ace of Wands. Yeah. Flirtations. Hot flirtations between the two of you. So, maganda ang inyong chemistry with this person. Okay. So, meron ng moving forward, level up. Dates. Okay. Yeah. So, parang maybe this person is now taking an initiative, no? Taking action na towards you. Nagpaparamdam. Parang, yeah. Or merong, ano tawag dito? Intimacy. Okay? Na mangyayari. Virgo. Okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest kung hindi para sa inyo. But these are the energies. Okay? Hidden truths from your person. Virgo. Hidden truths from your person. I remember every detail of that day. Okay. I knew exactly what I was doing. I am so attracted to you. Okay. Let's see. Ano pa yung additional message for Virgo? Romance. Cupid's arrow strikes. Okay. So, it's like a confirmation of your reading. Merong progress. Okay. Level up of the relationship. Yeah, maybe, yeah, this person is choosing you, something like that. Okay. So, ito lang yung mga mensahe and energies for you, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!